Hey there, I'm Josh, and in this Udemy course you'll learn how to create Fortnite's pump shotgun from scratch in Blender and Substance Painter. Blender is a powerful 3D software where we'll begin modeling the shotgun from scratch. Starting with a simple reference image, we'll work through each individual piece and use various subdivision surface and hard surface modeling techniques to create an accurate replica of the pump shotgun from the popular game Fortnite. And the best part? You'll learn exactly the techniques you need in Blender to accomplish this, whether you're a beginner with the software or have used it for years. After modeling, we'll UV unwrap our model and bake out a normal map to get that detail and an ambient occlusion map to add proper shadow effects to the model. We'll then import the model into the powerful Substance Painter 2 software, where we'll begin to texture the shotgun back to front from scratch. After this, we'll export out our textures and import our model into the Unity and Unreal game engines. This course starts with the basics to get you comfortable with the software, and then allows you to dive right in and hone your artistic ability. If you're not absolutely satisfied with the course, Udemy has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk in taking this course. So what are you waiting for? Take this course and learn how to create one of Fortnite's most popular game assets from scratch.